Here's how to deposit crypto to your Phemex account wallets. From the home page, hover your mouse over Assets in the right-hand corner, then click on Deposit. You can select which cryptocurrency you want to deposit using the drop-down list in the upper left-hand corner, or you can use the search function. When you select which crypto you'd like to deposit, it will appear here in the middle of the page. When you've selected the correct crypto, click Deposit. Here you'll be shown the deposit address for your selected coin. You can click this button to copy the address to your clipboard, or you can hover your mouse over Show QR Code in order to scan it with your phone. Please make sure you've selected the correct cryptocurrency you want to deposit. If you've selected the address of a different cryptocurrency, the deposit won't work, and you may even run the risk of losing your funds. We also recommend to double check the deposit address by eye before making the deposit.